The Zonesun ZS-FSL220 is a fully automatic small pouch liquid packaging production line that integrates film bag forming, liquid filling, heat sealing, cutting, and real-time printing and labeling in continuous process. Designed for high-efficiency production of single-serve liquid sachets, it ensures precise filling, reliable sealing, and accurate label application with minimal manual intervention. Ideal for medium to high-volume packaging of liquids in the food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and daily chemical industries.